Hello, welcome to Java Revisited. In today's video, I will show you guys how to find length of a given single linked list. So let's get started. Before that, if you are new to our channel, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive the latest notification. I have explained what is a linked list in my previous video. I will put that link on the top of the screen. Therefore, I will go straight forward to the algorithm for this problem. So to check length of a single linked list, firstly, I will initialize count as 0 and a node pointer named temp equal to head. Then, while temp is not null, it means that we doesn't reach the end of the linked list. If we move to the next node and increase count by 1, and the process keep repeated until temp is null. It means we reach the end of the linked list. Now let's walk through the implementation with me. So firstly, I'm create a node class here to use in a linked list to store data and a node nest. Then I will create a linked list class, initialize node head. Then this add function here to add new data to a linked list. And our main function in today's topic is get count to count the length of the linked list. It means count the node in the linked list. So it is similar to the algorithm that I have explained. So firstly, I create a node temp equal to head and integer count as 0. Then while temp is not null, we will increase count by 1 and we move to the next node. And if temp is null, we will return count. It means we return the length of the linked list. Our main code is very simple. I call linked list that I just created here to make a new linked list. Then I will add 1, 3, 1, 2, 1 to this linked list. So we having about 5 nodes here, and then I will bring out the length of the linked list by using get count method that I just created. Running the program, this is our result. So if you have any question regarding to this problem or regarding to Java, just comment below. I will answer all of your questions as soon as possible. Summary: to find length of the linked list, we have 2 steps here. So the first step is initialize count as 0 and a node pointer temp equal to head. Then while temp is not null, we move to the next node and increase count by 1, and the process keep repeated until the temp is null. It means that we reach to the end of that linked list. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and comment your opinion below. In the next video, I will show you how to reverse a string in Java. So stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.